Hey, what's up everybody? Got another video here for you. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed the last one. Give you a little heads up, I'm wearing gloves on this video. These are actually nylon low lint or lint free gloves. What I have here is some knives from my father, and he and I were talking the past couple weeks. He found out, or was interested in that I've been collecting a lot of folding knives, custom, mid-tech flippers, that kind of stuff. He said, why don't you pick up all my old knives that I have, and you can look through them. And so I'm doing this as a three-part vid on these knives. This is the first one. Most of his knives are Victorinox or Swiss Army knives, and so we'll take a look at these, and I thought this was kind of the most marquee looking thing that he had. Then there's another set of just all miscellaneous ones, and then he had some other old like hunting type knives, and I don't know much about actually most of these as far as value and price and everything. This kit, just so you can see, I'll rotate this around, is the Sammlermesser collector's knife by Victorinox of Switzerland, the 1983 through 1991 editions. And we'll see if we can zoom in and show you the dates on these. So on the glass itself are the dates: 1985, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, or 91. There is no 1990 knife in here, and there's not really a slot for it anyway, so I just don't know if they just didn't do a knife then. Also in the box here, there's two slots here and here that are for the documents, and I have all those documents. What we'll do is, here they are. And mainly what this is, from my understanding, is each of these is representation of a European battle that took place from the 1200s to 1400s. Yeah, so these are the documents for each one. I'll open one up so you can see inside. It's kind of hard with these gloves. So this gives you the whole story of each battle. It is written in Swiss, whatever the Swiss speak. I don't know. Sorry, don't mean to offend anybody. I always get Switzerland and Sweden confused. I didn't want to say Swedish, so I guess it's just Swiss. And the only thing that's in English is this part, which just gives you the history of Victorinox, the knife company, which I always see, Swiss Army knives. But let's open this up. I may put the light on, guys. I've just been having issues with the camera, with the light and the mirror reflections of the knives, because they're all the mirror finishes. And I'll give you a look at each of these knives. I'm not going to open anything up, mainly because from my understanding, from what my dad's told me, he's never actually opened these up or touched them or done anything with them. It's mainly been a display, and so I don't want to get any hand oils or anything on them as well, so that's the reason for the gloves. We'll just take a quick look at each knife and walk through them, see what you guys think. Mainly reason I'm doing this, I guess two reasons. One, just to show you this stuff, and then two is to hopefully get comments and information back from you guys as far as if you know the story about these, if you know what the value of these are, who Sammlermesser, Sammlermesser, if that's a person or a place or what. My understanding is that these are all engraved with the battle story and then the battle date. These first two are black with the engraving on them. Put that down. Give you a nice close look at this. Battle there. And then to show you this, there is some numbers on each of these on the inside of here. Like I said, I don't want to open up too much of these, but this is the 84 knife, so there's the 1984. So you can see that. I'll put that back down. These two are a navy blue color. I don't know if it really shows through the video, but just to give you a look at that. Some pack. And they are full Swiss Army knives. They have the other tools inside of them. Once again, this is the navy blue color. Give you a look at the back of the blade. Look at that mirror finish. Geez, I haven't had a lot of mirror finish knives, so a lot of reflection showing through there. Here's the fourth one. I'll give you a little longer look at the etched battle scene. And give you a look at this right here. Victorinox Switzerland stainless. I don't know if that's the steel type or what it is right there. Once again, guys, mainly this is just give you a quick look at some neat stuff that my dad had, and hopefully get some information from you. So any of you guys that are Victorinox nuts or Swiss Army knife nuts that might know more about this, I don't know what he wants to do with these. I think he was kind of hinting that maybe he wanted to sell them because he hadn't really done anything with them. That is locked all the way. But once again, I didn't know much about them. I guess I could reach out to my uncle, and he hasn't been working for Swiss Armies for a while. He was there for a long time, and then took another position somewhere else, and since then has had several different jobs. So I don't know if he even would know much about these anymore. And this is a black finish on this one. So this was 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Or maybe, hold on, I'm sorry, I gotta look at this, guys. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. This is 89. So there is no 88, and there is no 90. I don't know why. Once again, you can see the engraving on here. And like I said, these haven't been used or touched or anything. They've pretty much just sat in this case since whenever my father got this, which is, I would assume, 1991, that was when the last knife had come out. They're pretty cool. I mean, they seem pretty classy. So, put that here. And this is the last one, the 1990. Not sure why they have both ends open. I mean, I guess just to fill that space. There's nothing on this blade. There's no markings. Oh, and all these, I guess, are the Officer series. Officier Saucer. I guess, my understanding, that is the Officer series of knives. You can see on this side, the Rutley Battle 1291. And then that symbol there. So, just thought I'd give you a nice little overview of that stuff. Guys, please let me know if you know anything about these knives. Let me just put the light on and see if you can see what that does for you. That looks awful. I'm sorry about that. That doesn't help at all. I don't know if putting my hand there makes any difference, but I just wanted to brighten those up a little bit for you so you could see them. But yeah, give me a comment. Let me know what you think of these. If there's something that any of you guys out there are looking for or know anything about. Once again, whatever that the Sammlermesser, I'm butchering his name, I'm sure. Sammlermesser, who he is or what he is, how he relates to Victorinox, please let me know. That'd be great. But hopefully you guys got a nice look at this. Once again, I did a lot of Google searches and online searches trying to figure out this stuff, and not a lot of stuff came up. So any of you guys that know that, let me know. Any information would be great. I tried doing a Wikipedia search on it, didn't really pull up anything there. Saw a few pictures of this kit online, or this set, this collection, one in black and white and one in color, and that was about it. And both those sites I went to were in Swiss or some kind of European language, so I couldn't figure that out. So hopefully you guys like this stuff. Let me know if this is up anyone's alley and your thoughts on it. But once again, thanks for watching, and I'll get a couple more vids up for you, and things will keep rolling from there. So thanks a lot.